This is Babar Ali. Class B.Ed 1.5 Morning. Roll number 2K19 B.Ed 24. Subject EA and E. Topic: Validity and its types. Assigned by Dr. Amjad Ali Arain. Validity and its types. Validity definition. Validity is the extent to which a test measures what it claims to measure. It is vital for a test to be valid in order for the results to be accurately applied and interpreted. Concept of validity. A rather basic definition of validity is the degree to which a test measures what is it supposed to measure. Although this definitio 7n is relatively common and straightforward, it oversimplifies the issue a bit. Introduction. 1. Content validity. 2. Criterion-Related Validity. 3. Other forms of evidence for construct validity. 4. Validity in scoring. 5. Face validity. 6. How to make more valid tests. Content validity. It refers to how accurately an assessment or measurement tool taps into various aspects of the specific construct in question. In other words, do the questions really assess the construct in question? A test needs to be related to the content of the class relevant content. How to judge it? We need a specification of the skills or structures that the test is meant to cover. Not all the course content needs to appear in the test. Example. One's attitude toward an object is considered to consist of thoughts about the object, feelings about the object, and behaviors towards the object. Therefore, a test to assess one's attitude toward taxes should include items about thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. If test anxiety is thought to include both nervous feelings and negative thoughts, then any measure of test anxiety should cover both of these aspects. A course exam has good content validity if it covers all the material that students are supposed to learn, and poor content validity if it does not. The importance of content validity. Language specifications provide the test constructor with a basis for making a principled selection of elements to include in the test. A comparison between test specification and test content is the basis for judgments related to content validity. The greater a test's content validity, the more likely is to be an accurate measure of what it is supposed to measure. Criterion-Related Validity. It is the degree to which test results agree with those provided by some independent and highly dependable assessment of the candidate's ability. The independent assessment is the criterion measure against which the test is validated. 2 types: concurrent validity, predictive validity, criterion validity. It is the extent to which people's scores are correlated with other variables or criteria that reflect the same construct. Example. An IQ test should correlate positively with school performance. An occupational aptitude test should correlate positively with work performance. Concurrent validity. It refers to the extent to which the results of a particular test or measurement correspond to those of a previously established measurement for the same construct. Is it possible to test everything you need to test in a short time? This will always depend on how many functions are tested in the component and how representative they are among the complete set of functions including in the objectives. This topic concerns the degree to which a test can predict a candidate's future performance. Predecitive validity. How helpful is it to use final outcomes as the criterion measure when so many factors other than ability in English, such as subject knowledge, intelligence, motivation, health and happiness, will have contributed to every outcome? Example, placement tests. Face validity. A test is said to have face validity if it looks as if it measures what it is supposed to measure. A test which does not have face validity may not be accepted by candidates, teachers, education authorities, or employers. Example. People might have negative reactions to an intelligence test that did not appear to them to be measuring their intelligence. Thank you.